ghee. Why is it so important to our lives? It lubrication of joints and antiviral, antifungal properties. That's why it came on the khichdi that you ate. Okay. And for glowing skin, huh? One of my tweets, okay. Yeah.
Brain tonic.
Brain tonic, correct. Very important. Have you heard of this word? I'm okay from everywhere else, I'm not okay here. I'm okay from everywhere else, I'm not okay here. All of me is okay. Here is where I have the problem. Here is actually where you have the problem. If you have stubborn fat in your body, it is only loss of ghee from your plate. There is nothing else. If you are exercising, if you are eating right, you still feel there is stubborn fat on my body. Ghee is what is missing. Increase ghee in your diet, stubborn fat melts. Now, how does this work? This works because ghee has something called as CLA. Basically, it has a few essential amino acids which help you mobilize your fat, mobilize Does this look like M? It is M. Mobilize or encourage fat cells into letting go of their energy stores. See, fat cell will not go anywhere, correct? But a fat cell can shrink to the size that it really was, like to its original size. And that happens with mobilization of fatty acids, and the way to do that is to provide your body with ghee. But you already have to be very sharp to be eating ghee to begin with, you know. So your sharp intellect can tell you to ghee khao, and then your body also starts, like they say, melting fat. So you need ghee. How can you use it? Can you use it for cooking, where you are putting tadka and all of that? Or should you use it raw, where you are putting it on cooked food? Depends on what you are making. A lot of people prefer their vegetable pulao in ghee, and then there are others who prefer putting on top. So depending on what tastes better, you choose. Some things need to be cooked in ghee, some other things need ghee on top, like, what is it called? A dressing or seasoning, huh? Puran pori. Puran pori, modak, koki, huh? Khichdi, what else? Huh? Dal dhokli, even plain dal. If these things, yes, on these things, if you don't put ghee, what will happen? No, it will not, it doesn't get digested. Like dal dhokli, people, they say it's like really bad, because they say it's really bad because they are not dipping that dhokli in ghee. And if you don't like dipping it, you at least need to have 1 or 2 teaspoons on that dhokli, then it's nice. So ghee is essential, very, very essential.